Next thing we're going to be smashing is this Dirt Devil stick vacuum. I got another one of recently. I don't even know if it works. So cheap. What? How cheap? Cheap crap. Let's see if I can just get it out normally and do it manually. Quick path. Motor driver brush roll. So is there a motor in here? Probably. That there is. Put it out carefully so we can burn it out later. Oh look at this little diode thing, it's gonna save it. Gotta get this motor out now. Oh, that was easy. Let's get rid of this though. Let's see if those motors burn out. They better. I guess it did burn out. Thanks for watching.